It's like holding something. Oh. So, and now I'll just close the lid. Bring some. No. Ding 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 ding. This is one of the more common dishes prepared during Ramadan, Bubur Lambuk. It's a quick and easy meal to prepare and it's like a warm hug. Ding. So I'm gonna add in some cooking oil, a tablespoon of ghee. Ghee will give a very nice aroma and extra flavor to this dish. Next, I'm gonna add in these ingredients. Have a very nice smell already. It's from the ghee. Starting to get a little bit golden brown. This is where I will add in the minced beef. It's important to keep it moving, or if not, it will stick to the pot. And I'm also like breaking apart the pieces of minced beef. The traditional recipe, they actually use chunks of beef, but I'm using mince, so it reduces the cooking time. After the meat is been browned slightly, we will add in the dry shrimp. Usually, I go to the wet market and the lady will mix the spice for me. They have the experience to adjust the amount for you. So what's in this blend is actually a mix of white pepper, cumin, fenugreek, and just a little bit of turmeric. So the turmeric is also based on like your family's individual recipe, but I like to put it like it gives a nicer color. And these are actually the whole spices which you can actually buy like this from the supermarket. So what's in here is cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and star anise. So we gently toast the spices together until you have this very nice aroma. And now I'll add in a little bit of chicken stock, or you can use water. Back then when I was working, I usually always skip a lot of family meals because I'm in F&B. We work long hours, weekends, public holiday. So I'm actually looking forward to have an iftar session with my family this year, since I have a little bit more free time. Midway, I'll just give it a stir to make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom. It smells good, huh? Later we all can try it together.
It smells so good.
Hope it tastes good too. Ding 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 ding. 15 minutes later. Oh, the aroma is really very good. Reminds me of home during Ramadan. At this stage, I will add in the chickpeas, the frozen vegetables. So this will only take about a minute to warm through. And I'll add in half of the fried shallots to let the flavors infuse. And the other half we will save for garnish. We slowly add in the coconut cream. So this gives extra richness to the porridge. Now it smells a bit like nasi lemak. Now it's time to serve. For me, I like to add a personal touch because I like the porridge to be slightly spicy. Alright, let's taste. It's a very nostalgic taste. Reminds me of the times where I went to the mosque to collect with my dad and we all breakfast together. Hey, Hao-Che, you haven't tried before, right? Come, have a taste. Hey, whoa!
Can we eat without coriander?
Can.
Wow, sure.
Sure, huh? Don't forget to leave some for our friends. Hey! This is a very filling and hearty dish, perfect for Ramadan or any time of day if you are not fasting. Please enjoy. I hope you give it a try. Thank you.